Writeless AI review. Is it the right writing assistant for you? I'm going to tell you about Writeless AI. Writeless AI is designed to generate high quality, plagiarism free essays complete with real academic citations in formats like APA, MLA, and Chicago. It even includes an AI detector and paraphrasing tools to ensure your work appears original. But is it worth it? Pros: fast essay generation. Some users report completing drafts in under 10 minutes. Accurate citations that adhere to academic standards. User friendly interface, making it accessible even for beginners. Cons: the content can feel generic. Personalization is often needed. Limited to academic writing. Less suitable for creative or business content. Some users have reported issues with complex topics and customer support. In summary, Writeless AI is a powerful tool for academic writing, offering speed and accuracy. However, it may require additional editing to match your unique voice and style. For more information, you can visit their official website, writeless.ai.